Hello everyone, in this video I wanna show how to use a simple label. It's a very simple component in Ignition Designer software, but one of the most commonly used. It's used to display text on a screen, often for static text or dynamic data pulled from a tag or a script. Labels can be customized for font, size, color, and alignment to fit the design needs of a project. The video is straightforward, so please watch the video and enjoy it.